Are you searching for the best smart water bottle? Look no more. Fortunately, you are at the right place. It is no doubt choosing the best smart water bottle for perfect hydration tracking can be a tough job. When you have a variety of options available in the market, the number of models can overwhelm you. In this video, we will highlight the best smart water bottles on the market that will simplify your life. Stay tuned. As always, all the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check it out. Now let's get to the video. One, HYDRA Smart Water Bottle. The HYDRA Smart Bottle is a groundbreaking piece of technology and heralded for its attention to detail. This is a power-packed water bottle that includes the use of precision engineering and high-tech features for an improved experience.
Introducing the HYDRA, designed to bring modern creature comforts along for the ride. The most significant feature is the powerful Bluetooth speaker built into the cap. Your smartphone playlists provide the source, and the HYDRA keeps you rocking in all these locations and more. The speaker is removable, so you can flip it, place it on a table, and extend the legs. This augments the sound by bouncing the high end, while the legs transmit the low end into the table, increasing the bass. While on your bicycle, listening to music with headphones is simply dangerous. They reduce your aural awareness of your surroundings. With the HYDRA, your music goes with you, but safely. Of course, we can't live without our trusty smartphones, especially when out and about. So we built a charger into the base of the bottle that will fully replenish your device. Keep the music thumping and charge anywhere. But guess what? The HYDRA is just getting started. We've added powerful LEDs to the base of the bottle that shine up into the frosted surface and refract through the liquid. At a picnic table, the solid white light makes a great lamp to illuminate your ghost stories or play games by. Or set your HYDRA on your bedside table for a reading lamp. Not only does the bottle provide midnight hydration, the lamp can be set to color fade to set the mood for a calming sleep. Now, add our free HYDRA Nighttime app. It sends soothing sounds to your HYDRA and ensures you'll be lulled away to dreamland. The HYDRA's most important lighting system, though, has your safety in mind. The bright red light will ensure you aren't missed while on the road at night. We have sculpted the body, modernized the look, and improved the grip. The addition of the speaker ring will improve upon the already fantastic sound. An FM radio receiver and even a microphone so you can take phone calls on the trail. Plus a carabiner with a bottle opener and even a secret storage space that will hold keys and cash. And, as expected, we will be offering the HYDRA in a variety of colors.
2. H2 Opal Smart Water Bottle Hydration Tracker. H2 Opal is being manufactured by a team passionate about providing effective and simple-to-use solutions to facilitate healthy behavior. Similar to a fitness tracker, H2 Opal is a hydration tracker that works with your water bottle.
Water, the essential element of life. It flows in all of us, through our veins and out our pores. We depend on it. No matter your age or lifestyle, everyone needs to drink water. But with busy schedules, work-filled days, staying hydrated is easy to forget. With H2O Pal, hydration is one less thing you need to worry about. H2O Pal has an energy-efficient weight sensor that tracks your water intake throughout the day. It syncs straight to your smartphone or watch, sending you notifications to drink more water. H2O Pal helps you establish a habit of drinking more water at the right time, which can lead to improved focus and productivity, motivate you to stay on track with your daily goal, and give you the satisfaction of seeing your progress over time. You have enough things to worry about. With H2O Pal, staying hydrated won't be one of them. Start a healthier life by getting yours at h2opal.com.
3. Thermos 24-ounce Hydration Bottle. For over 110 years, consumers have trusted the genuine Thermos brand to provide quality consumer products using leading-edge technology. The Thermos connected hydration bottle with smart lid provides the user with an easy and innovative way to achieve their personal hydration goals.
Every day is an adventure. It takes strength to accomplish your goals and focus to balance all the events of your day. The Thermos connected hydration bottle with smart lid ensures that you're ready to take on whatever the day ahead will bring. Getting started is easy. Simply wake up your connected lid using the USB charger. The Thermos Smart Lid app will automatically connect to it. With a few simple steps, the hydration calculator will create a daily hydration goal that is designed specifically for you. Cleaning your bottle is simple too. Just wash it with soap and water. Then fill up your bottle and start your day. The Thermos Connected Hydration Bottle tracks your hydration and uses Bluetooth smart technology to connect to your device. The Thermos Smart Lid app provides a real-time display of your bottle's current fill level and temperature. It builds the story of your day right down to each sip. The app and bottle are intelligently designed to analyze your hydration, acting together as your real-time hydration coach. Smart reminders will keep you informed on your progress without slowing you down. They provide encouragement when you need it most. For the times you may require specific support, custom reminders allow you to design a unique goal for a set period of time. It all works together, making it easy to always hit your hydration goals. With the app's activity history, you can compare your progress over days, weeks, and even months. The Thermos Connected Hydration Bottle with Smart Lid works with you to ensure that you are prepared for each day. Every day is an adventure. Ensure you are ready for whatever it may bring. The Thermos Connected Hydration Bottle with Smart Lid.
4. Hidrate Spark 3 Smart Water Bottle. Hidrate Incorporated was founded by a group of health-conscious and enthusiastic individuals who were passionate about helping people shape healthier habits. The Hidrate Spark 3 holds 20 fluid ounces, 592 ml, and available in 6 eye-catching colors. After many hours talking with potential customers, Hidrate Incorporated made the important decision to make the bottle with BPA-free food-safe polypropylene and treatan plastic and without a straw. 5. Cactaki Water Bottle. At number 4, it's the Cactaki water bottle from green Sequoia. Now you can intake the precise amount of water your body requires every day, thanks to innovative timer marker in Cactaki 32-ounce water bottle that reminds you when it's time for your next water intake. It is one of the best smart hydration tracker engineered with leak-proof treatan copolyester plastic that is 100 BPA free and toxin free to ensure that water is free from harmful chemicals, plastic taste, weird odors, and more. The Cactaki water bottle from green Sequoia features a one-click push button to open effortlessly, a unique mouth opening for fast water flow, and a strap for outdoor travel will make this spill-proof water bottle your chosen fitness buddy.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.